Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Victor, the Love in the God of Prophecy. If you are watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to prophesy with angels. Prophesying with angels is an advanced level in the prophetic, and many people don't know how to do it. So it takes between 3 to 6 months to really get it. That's just the fact. If you practice well, if you don't practice well, it can take you 5 years. There's an angel standing beside me right now. I can feel it. So first of all, you need to open your spiritual eyes. I need to open your spiritual ears, because you need to see the angel and hear the angel. Once you can do that, then you want to start thinking of angels. Thinking of angels. And not just any kind of angel, but the angel of prophecy. So once you begin to think of this particular kind of angel, which most likely you can see Uriel, then you want to begin to ask questions. You first see the angel in the spiritual world before it comes to the physical world, maybe the physical counterpart of where you live, okay? But then you need to start asking questions like, what is your name? Who are you? What can you do? Then begin to receive answers to the questions. Because if you can't even speak with the angel, first of all, you can't have a good communication. How do you think you will get the name of somebody from the angel? So once you begin to develop friendship, communication with this angel, then later on, you advance into asking more deeper questions from the angel about people that you already know. What is this person thinking? The angel will tell you. Where is this person right now? The angel will tell you. You begin to test the accuracy. If you don't get it, if the information it gives is not correct, you begin to find out, why is the information not correct? What happened? Is it your mind? What really happened? So that finally, eventually, when you want to prophesy to somebody, you can make the angel appear quickly and you ask the question and everything will be correct. But it's a very, very deep level. If you call an angel of money to prophesy to you, to give you details, you'll be wrong. That's just a fact. It has to be an angel of prophecy, an angel that can really prophesy. And also, one thing to note, not all angels are super accurate when it comes to prophecy. Some of them are so whack, like they don't even know. I can prophesy sometimes of angels. That's just a fact. So they won't all be accurate and really good. But as you begin to develop, the better you become, the stronger you are, the better the angels that you have. So don't think you're going to get the highest level angel when you're just a baby. Sure you get. Also, the kind of angel of prophecy that you have determine the kind of stuff you can do. Some angels have their own personal values too. So they might not be able to predict sport bets because they don't like it. Yes. So if they say they can't do it, you find someone else now, Abby. It's as simple as that. So when you deal with angels, understand that they're just like normal human beings, but they have this sort of powers that can really help you to achieve different goals. So if you want to join my prophetic school, maybe you want to learn how to prophesy with angels, click the link below and let me teach you how to do that. Okay, that will be the advanced mentorship program. But before I can even teach you how to prophesy with angels, you need to pass through the basic course first. Once you master that basic course, you can now advance, or you can just pay for the two, the basic and the advanced. So $3,000 flat. If you pay in full, I can give you for $2,000 because the basic cost is just $1,000 on its own. So yeah. So God bless you. I'll see you soon.